Hostpapa discount and coupon code. So what you have to do is you have to click on the link in the description like this, because if you click on the link in the description like this, you are going to get amazing discount code while buying from Hostpapa. So once you click on that link, then what you have to do is you have to come over here and you have to check out all of these three plans over here. And you can see that the uh, basic plan has 75% off, because you have clicked on that link. Then you are going to also get free domain registration with your hosting plan. That makes you an amazing deal. So again, once you click on that link, you will be entitled to this discount. Plus you also are getting free website migration service. So in case if you are currently hosted somewhere else and want to shift to Hostpapa, then this is going to be an amazing opportunity for you. The plus plan has the option to host up to 10 websites, and in pro plan you can host unlimited websites and do unlimited website migrations. All of the plans come with free SSL certificate, unlimited SSD storage, unlimited email is in these two plans only, and in the first and second plan you are going to get 10 email or 100 emails respectively. Okay. And another thing is that you don't have to worry, because all of the plans with Hostpapa have one thing in common, and that is that they offer a 30 days money back guarantee. So you can buy hosting without any hassle or issue. Like in case of any wrongdoing or any trouble, you are going to get no question asked 30 days money back guarantee with all of their plans, which makes it an amazing choice to offer. And if you look out on why should you use Hostpapa over the competition, is because if you combine all of their staff experience, that is more than 70 years of combined experience in web hosting services, and they do know exactly what makes a company good and what makes a company bad. And all of their plans have high speed based service, making to make sure that your website load as fast as it's possible. And they are also being given as an award winning customer service. So they are also provide with cpanel. Cpanel, now very few companies provide cpanel, and Hostpapa is one of the few company which supports cpanel. And they have rocket fast premium service, as I told you. Like you are going to get up to 400% better performance than regular servers, with double the RAM and double the hard drive. And again, they are also going to help you in moving from existing hosting company to them. All you have to do is you have to open a support ticket with them, and they will happily transfer to you. So good luck and enjoy free website migration service, and try them for 30 days and enjoy your experience with the Hostpapa. Don't forget to click on the link in the description. Thank you and bye bye.